Let's take a look at the Forest River Wolfpack 315Pack12 fifth wheel. It's equipped with a living room and dinette slide out. It has a 20-foot automatic awning with LED lights. Large pass-through storage. Sturdy entry stairway. LED outside speakers and TV mount. As you can see, it has two entrances. And this unit is equipped with the outside patio. Let's take a look inside. The unit has a bifold couch that makes into a bed and privacy blinds on all the large windows. There's plenty of storage throughout, both overhead and under the counters. It has a covered sink with a pull-down faucet. All of the appliances are stainless steel. There's a drop-down stovetop with glass cover and a stainless steel exhaust fan. Again, this unit is equipped with a patio option. Plenty of tie downs for your motorcycles, side-by-sides. The couches fold down and make into a bed, and the bed can be raised overhead. The unit is equipped with an AM, FM, CD, DVD player and a 1500 BTU fireplace. The bathroom has an overhead exhaust fan, storage above and below the sink, a foot flush toilet, and a glass shower enclosure with a full-size shower. There are 110 outlets located throughout the unit. The bedroom has overhead storage and side storage. A large queen-size bed. And there are USB ports and 110 outlets located on each side of the bed, and USB ports in the living room. Come out and take a look at the Forest River Wolfpack 315Pack12 or many of the other units that we have here at Tri-State RV.